Hey guys, in today's video, I'm not going to show you step by step how to deploy your project completely free using Netlify. Whether you are working with the HTML, React or Angular, I will guide you through the entire process so you can get your project live on the internet in just a few minutes. So this one is the Netlify dashboard, and we will upload in this video a static HTML, CSS and JavaScript project to the Netlify. So first I'm gonna search on the Google Netlify and click on the first link. Once you click on the first link, it will redirect to Netlify website, and then click on login. So if you have not logged in, so you can click on the sign up. So I have already logged in. So once I log into the Netlify, it will redirect to the dashboard here. And here is all the project once you upload it to the Netlify. So I'm gonna click on add new project. Here you will see deploy manually. If you not see, click on the sidebar projects, and again I'm gonna click on add new project and click on deploy manually. So now I'm gonna drag the project folder to here. Make sure all the file is inside in the folder. So this one is my project folder. So I'm gonna click on my project folder and all the file inside this images, index.html, CSS, JavaScript. And now I'm gonna drag to the Netlify and just wait for a few seconds. Great. Now our file has successfully uploaded to the Netlify, and here you will see published. The status as published. So I'm gonna click on preview. Great. Now our site has successfully uploaded to the Netlify, and this one is my site, right? So you can save this URL and visit your site anytime. So if this video is helpful, please subscribe my channel, comment, like and share. Thank you.